Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Today we're going back in time with a 1966 Chevy 2 Super Sport. This one has a 327 and an automatic transmission. It's painted in blue with black interior. Okay, we'll start here at the rear of the vehicle. Take a look underneath the trunk lid here first. So as you can see, it's painted black underneath, looks great. You got the jack's instruction sticker there. Inside the trunk, it's painted gloss black and it looks good. I'll lift this mat here so you can see it's nice and solid under here. The mat looks like new. We have a spare tire back here and it has a jack as well. All right, we'll go ahead and close the trunk lid here and we'll take a look up here. You can see the roof there, the paint is beautiful. There's your rear glass. There is a little bit of scratch marks in the glass itself. It's probably original, but it looks very presentable still. Coming to the trunk lid here, you can see the paint is nice and beautiful. And we'll come back here, check out that beautiful style in that rear. So the trim looks great. You can see the trim there looks great. All the bright work is very presentable. The bumpers look great. Little marks in the rear tail panel here, likely original, but it's still very presentable. I wouldn't be ashamed to drive this around, that's for sure. The back fenders here, you can see Super Sport badges there. We'll take a look underneath, show you it looks great. There's your fuel tank, rear end, nice and clean underneath. Very solid car. And we'll spin the car around, take a look at these wheels. So I would classify this as a body up restoration. Very presentable car. You could drive this one around. You can see it has the rally Chevy wheels on it, the silver with the beauty rings and the hubcaps. Looking great. Looks great on this car for sure. And we have radial tires, so Hankook tires, 205/75 R14s, and it's the same size all the way around. Dual exhausts. You can see the exhaust comes right behind the rear tire there. Show you the front wheel here. There we are. It looks great even underneath the wheel wells. Let's take a look at the door panel. So we got all black interior. The top and the bottom is painted black. And then we got the nice door panel here. It looks great. Trim looks great as well. You can see the handles and stuff. There is one little piece missing here for the lock. We do have that on order, so that'll be there once we get it. Here's your armrest, looks great as well. Let's take a look underneath the doors. You can see they're solid. And I'll take a look at the dash. Look at the dash, it looks beautiful. No rips, tears, cracks, as a lot of these old cars had. Here's your dash over here, Super Sport there. Open the glove box, you can see it looks great in there. We do have an owner's manual in here. Appears to be original for this car, so that's really cool. Nice to see that. Here's your carpet, it looks brand new as well, nice and clean. We'll check out the jams here. Looking great. And we'll take a look at the rear seat here, fold that back. It's got a nice bench seat in the rear. Show you the package tray up there. It looks great as well. Fold the seat back down. And while we're here, let's take a look at the headliner. Headliner looks great. Few little wrinkles there, but it's very solid, stiff. The light even works. Here's your visor staying up. So very nice. Let's take a look at the seat now. So we got bucket seats in the front. And we'll take a look here. The seats look great. They look like they've been replaced at some point or recovered. Close that door. You can hear the door shuts nicely. And we'll spin the car around. Take a look here. Look at this beautiful paint. So this car has been 5-stage polished by our team already. So we've wet sanded it and did our polish work. So you can see it looks great. Glass looks great as well, other than the few minor scratches along. This is a hard top. You can see it's got the vent window here. So the hard top, you got a nice clear path here, no post, so you can put your hand right through. And I will put the windows up so you have the view of that. They roll up nicely. And then over here as well. And we'll close that. Give you a visual there of how it looks up. Over here we got the 327 call out badge. That's what it has in for an engine. And we'll take a look at the paint here. I'll get a good view here. There we go, there's my hand. There's a reflection so you can see paint looks wonderful. Let's take a look underneath the car. So you can see it's nice and solid. Looks great. You will see a few minor things in the paint here and there. There's little touch-up spots there. There's a few little things, but very presentable car. I wouldn't be ashamed to take this to a car show. You can see the lights there. Again, the bright work looks great. The grille looks really nice. Headlights, front bumper looks great as well. Now let's take a look underneath the hood. So it's painted black underneath here. And then here is your power plant. So the Super Sport, it gets a 327 turbo fire, 275 horse engine. So this was the biggest motor you can get back in the day in this car. And this one is paired to the manual or automatic transmission. So you can see it looks very nice in here. How kind of it was back in the day. Close that up there. Let's take a look. There's a nice hood trim there. And look at the paint here. Beautiful. Okay, we'll spin the car around now. Actually, we'll take a look underneath the front here. So you can see the engine, Chevy orange. You can see the exhaust there, nicely detailed. And now we'll spin the car around. We'll take a look at the wheels on this side here. There we are. And we'll take a look at this side here. There we are. And back to the door panel. So again, all black door panel here. Looks great. There's that lock I was talking about for the other side. So that side will have it. This side has a mirror. The mirror looks great as well. A little patina on this trim here. And we'll take a look at the jams over here. There's your VIN plate. Kick plate looks good. Solid. Take a look under the doors here. Same as the other side, solid. And let's take a look at the back seat now. Climb that. So the bucket folds down. Easy to get in and out. And here's your rear seat. And again, the headliner. Take a look at the pedals down there. Carpet looks wonderful, nice and black. And let's scan the seat here. It's a nice wide bucket seat. And let's take a look inside here. Okay, let's hop in. Close this door up here. You can see the dash. Looks very presentable. We got the fuel gauge here. You got your speedometer. Mileage on the car, 89,833 miles. True kilometers are unknown because obviously we don't know if that's true mileage or not. You got a clock there. You got your light controls. You got your wipers. Your key, and then your lighter. Take a look at the steering wheel here. So we got a nice black SS wheel here. Horn works. A 3-spoke design. I really like this wheel here. Let's go ahead and start the car. And it fires right up. Great. All right, let's take a look up here. There's your mirror. We got the Chevy 2 radio. It's a Delco radio, and I did hear it working. I didn't get any signal inside, but it does work. Climate controls here. And then down here we got the SS console, really cool. Back in the day, this was the thing to have. You got the SS here, and then you got the floor automatic shift here. Very sporty. So when you're driving this car, put your left hand out the window and cruise downtown. What a nice car to have. All right, we'll open this door up now. We'll give it a couple revs here. There we are. some headlights on so we can see the lights working. Let's make our way to the front. There we are, the lights are on. What a beautiful car. Very simplistic design. We'll spin the car around, take a look at the rear lights here. This car will stay in style forever in my opinion. Just got that sleek, simple design. There's your tail lights, you hear the exhaust. So here we have it. This is a 1966 Chevy 2 Super Sport with 327 and an automatic transmission. This is here and available at MunroMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.